IKEA offers several air purifier options, including the UPPÅTVIND and FÖRNUFTIG models. These air purifiers have small coverage and no fancy features, but are quite budget-friendly. In this video, you'll find out which perform better in our performance, noise, and power tests, and which one is our better buying recommendation. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Both the IKEA FÖRNUFTIG and UPPÅTVIND have very few features. All they have is a control button, a filter reset indicator, and a button to reset this indicator. However, the FÖRNUFTIG mechanical control wheel allows it to work with a smart plug, giving you a bit more control. Simply put, these air purifiers have a minimalistic design that looks good but lacks extra features. Also, their CADR is not very high. The FÖRNUFTIG covers rooms of up to 108 square feet, while the UPPÅTVIND covers smaller rooms of up to 75 square feet. You can find more information about these two air purifiers at airpurifierfirst.com. The filtration technology used in these two air purifiers is specific. Both come with a pre-filter and particle filter, but neither includes a carbon filter. However, you can buy a carbon filter separately, but only for the FÖRNUFTIG model. They don't use top-notch filtration technology like some other air purifiers, and our main complaint is the lack of a true HEPA filter. The particle filters aren't washable, but the pre-filters are. We recommend cleaning the pre-filter at least twice a month on both. Overall, these air purifiers don't have outstanding filtration technology, but the IKEA FÖRNUFTIG is still a bit better because of the possibility of buying an additional activated carbon filter. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. Since both air purifiers have 3 fan speeds, noise testing was straightforward. We tested the noise levels at each speed and compared the results. Interestingly, they produce almost the same noise level at the first speed, 42.5 dBA for the UPPÅTVIND and 42.2 dBA for the FÖRNUFTIG. However, the UPPÅTVIND is much quieter at max speed, with a noise level of 53.8 dBA, while the FÖRNUFTIG is at 58.2 dBA. Overall, these are very quiet air purifiers, which we would recommend for bedroom usage. Regarding power usage, we must say that these air purifiers are among the most energy efficient on the market. The FÖRNUFTIG and the UPPÅTVIND use motors of only 19 watts, which is below many competitors on the market. However, there is a slight difference when using them at max speed, on which the UPPÅTVIND uses 6.7 watts, while the FÖRNUFTIG uses 13.2 watts, making it a bit bigger power consumer than the UPPÅTVIND. The FÖRNUFTIG also uses more expensive filters, especially if you add the activated carbon filter to the list. Accordingly, we can conclude that the UPPÅTVIND is more affordable for annual maintenance. We tested these air purifiers in 2 similar-sized rooms for 60 minutes each, running at max speed. In the first test, in a 120 square foot room, the UPPÅTVIND improved the air quality by around 82%, while the FÖRNUFTIG improved it by around 91%. In the second test, in a 194 square foot room, the UPPÅTVIND improved the air quality by about 75%, while the FÖRNUFTIG improved it by about 89%. The IKEA FÖRNUFTIG clearly showed its strength and performed much better in this test. In the following seconds, you'll see how much time is needed for these two to remove all the smoke from the smoke box. We've performed various tests on these two air purifiers. Overall, they are quite similar. Both have minimal features, simple designs, low power consumption, and very quiet motors. However, there can only be one winner. Whether you need an air purifier for a room smaller or larger than 100 square feet, the Förnuftig is our recommendation and a better option than the UPPÅTVIND. If you have questions about these two air purifiers, please comment below the video. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.